beautiful sound of a Borla exhaust. The cryptic Chevy is looking good. Nice and clean, just the way it should look. You can see your face in them rims. This is Nate's Cryptic Chevy channel on YouTube. I start doing some videos on here, new to doing this. Done a lot of things to my 2023 Chevy Silverado RST 6.2 liter. So we're gonna make some videos showing some of those modifications and give you the information as to where you can get them, and hopefully some install instructions on doing this stuff. I enjoy it, and I love my truck, and it is a beauty. Please hit that subscribe button if you like what you see, and you got some recommendations. I'm open to comments, so please leave them. And we're gonna start with this cold start here. Side view. It's a little short one. I'm bringing a long one here in a little bit where I can get somewhere where I got some space away from the front of my house. Thanks for watching. All right, everybody, Nate here. This is the Cryptic Chevy channel on YouTube. Just showcasing a little bit of things that I've done to my 2023 Chevy Silverado RST 6.2 liter, and giving some information on those modifications. Hopefully going back and doing some of the videos showing some of the disassembly, instruction, and installation of some of the aftermarket parts and accessories that I've added to this. I love this truck. It's we're trying to go for the all black look. This is a red line edition, so it has some of the red highlights on there, but it's beautiful, beautiful. Got the tint, spacers. I still got the factory wheels on there and tires. Replaced the factory 4x4 decals on the rear. It is washed up. I did it yesterday, but it's got some got a little bit of dust on there. We got windows tinted 20% all the way around. The back looks a little bit darker, as you can tell from the factory window tint that's on there. We got the Recon third brake light and tail lights. I got the 60-inch light bar going across beneath the tailgate, in between the bumper, above the license plate. Borla exhaust. Get a little start. It's already been running a little bit, so might not be as loud as what it normally is. It is a little windy out, so hopefully everybody can hear this okay. Yeah, it's been running for a little while, so not extremely loud, but I'll tell you, on that cold start, which I got a video that I just recorded before this, in a cold start before I left my house. I'll go ahead and post that too. We got the small replacement antenna. Works great. Got, as you can see, what the spacer has done to the factory rims and tires. Looks really nice. Got the rough country light bar in there, 30-inch. Got the aero skin on the hood, which the skin is pretty nice because it sits flush on that hood and protects it. Get chips in the paint on the hood, but it is a beauty. I love this thing. I'll be doing some more work to it. We got the Gator trifold tonneau cover, which this thing is awesome. Got the LEDs in the reverse light. It's in the bumper. Got a camera put in there. Might be able to tell, might not. It's a little bright out. Child seat for my daughter. Beautiful. Love this thing. Upgraded all the speakers inside to the kicker. 6x9 component system in the front. 6.5 in the rear. Installed myself as well. So, hope you guys like it. I'll be adding some things on here. Hit that subscribe button if you like. Thanks for watching. And hopefully get some subscribers on here. Keep doing some stuff with the truck. Any comments, please, I encourage them. And thanks again for watching.